Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm Miss Lisa, and this is my YouTube channel where we talk about all things math and science that I want to talk about. And this is what I call a calculator lab video. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to do absolute value equations on our TI-84 graphing calculator. Now, 82s and 83s can do them too. They do them a little bit different. And actually this book shows how the 82s and 83s do it. They write abs. It has nothing to do with your stomach muscles. It's for absolute value. But I'm going to show you on the 84-bit, you can use this for any of them. All right, so we're going to put in this equation. The absolute value of this equals that, okay? Now, first what we're going to do is turn on our calculators, right down there, and we're going to go to the y. We're on the regular math screen. We're going to go to y equals, and I have some stuff in here, so I'm going to clear it out. See the button that says clear? Clear, and now I'm going to arrow down. It's more fun with sound effects. Okay, on the first line, I want to write this equation. So there's three different ways I can do it. I'm going to show you all three ways. One way is to go to second 0, and there's a catalog, and the very first one says abs, and that's absolute value, and I select it, and it popped my absolute value bars right there. So I can do it that way. Okay, now I'm going to clear it out and show you another way. Another way I do it is to use this button that says math, which I think is ironic because aren't they all math? I think so. So I can push the math button, and then I can go over to num for number. So I'm going to go over here, and then number 1 is abs, again, absolute value, and I hit enter to select it. And there I've got my absolute value bars. Okay, I'm going to clear it out and show you the third way. The third way is using, you do alpha, window, and then this is a shortcut menu, and number 1 is abs, absolute value. Now, for some of you, your shortcut menus don't work. You tried alpha window and you just got window, you didn't get that pop-up shortcut menu. That can be fixed. If you have an 84, you go to the TI website and you can download an update to your software and you can fix your alpha shortcuts. Now, your mom and dad might have to register as your teacher to get access to downloading programs, but if you're watching this class, then you can do that. Go get those programs, get what you need. All right, so now that we've got here, and if you've got an older one, instead of the bars, you're going to get the parentheses. So don't let that confuse you. And I'm going to type in what goes here. 2, this is the button for x, 2x plus 1. And now I arrow over to get out of there, and I put the -2 in there. Okay, now I put this on one side, I put what it equals on the other side for y2 equals. And you can do this for any equation. This will solve for x for any equation. It could be something you don't understand, but if you type in one side for y1 equals and y2 for what it equals, where they intersect is the answer. And that really helped my kids on the ACT, because they were able to put in problems that they didn't know how to solve, and their calculator solved them for it. It's sort of like cheating, but they allow you to use your calculator. So one of the things that the ACT test, in my opinion, is how good you are at the calculator. You might not know how to do that math, but you knew how to do the calculator, so you still get to get it right. So it's not cheating since they let you do it. All right, so now what we're going to do is it says to use a standard viewing window, and the easiest way to do that is to do zoom, and then standard is number 6. Okay, and now it graphs it. There's the absolute value is that shape that's always the right angle, and here's what it equals is 5, and to get the answer I need the intersection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do second trace to intersect number 5, and I'm going to make my little blinky thing go to where the two lines meet by using these keys here. Okay, and now it says, do I want the first curve to be the blue curve? Yes, I do. So I hit enter. The second curve to be the red curve? Yes, I do. And yours might be black and white, but it'll still have the equation up here. Now it says, do I want it to guess? Yes, I do. And it tells me that my first answer is -4. And now to get the second one, I do it again. I do second trace intersect. And now this time I'm going to make it go to the other side, because you know absolute values have two answers, and if you don't know why, go watch the video that goes with this, the Algebra 1 video. It will explain it. Okay, and so I hit enter 3 times again, and it told me that the other answer is 3. And if I look here, then it says that the answers are 3 and -4, just like what I got. Ta-da! All right, so I think that's super fun. I think it's very exciting. You should do it. And remember, math is great. Like, share, subscribe, and come back for the next one.